So today I'll be showing you how to mute or unmute your iPhone 15 without the action button. Now I have the 15 Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So let's say you've remapped your action button to do something else. How do you mute and unmute your iPhone 15? Now I'll show you two ways. The first method is by going to Control Center. So swipe down from the top right of your screen and you should see in the Control Center we have this new icon here. So this is the button you use to mute and unmute your iPhone 15. So you can see when you mute it says silent mode on, and when we unmute it says silent mode off. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is going to Settings. Under Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and then you should see under Sounds and Haptics at the top there you have a silent mode button that you can use to mute or unmute your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.